Hi everyone, in this quick video we're going to demonstrate how you can enable the TV self-test on a Panasonic TV running Fire TV. First of all, why would you even use this setting? Well, maybe you have instances where you feel like the picture doesn't look right, maybe you have some lines on the screen, maybe the picture is not that sharp, or maybe the audio is not working as you expect. And by doing the self-test, the TV actually just uses a built-in video that has a bit of just a picture and a bit of sound, and it can help you determine if there are any problems with the screen, such as, I don't know, maybe dead pixels or issues with the screen, because you'll be able to see very easily because you have no other device connected. So you know for sure that it's the TV that has an issue and not the device that's connected to or the signal that's connected to. So it avoids and simplifies this process. At the same time, you can see if the audio works as it should. So let's jump into how you can do that. All you need to do is go into the home menu by pressing the home button, and then by using the right arrow key, head over to the settings, and then scroll down to device and software. Here you can already see we have the TV self-test selected, but if you don't see it, you might have to scroll down a little bit and then select it with OK. Once you do that, you have this beautiful picture come up and a simple question. And all you need to do is just look around, go close, see if the lines or whatever issues you have identified on different inputs are still visible here. If they're still visible here, most likely there's an issue with the screen and it needs to be inspected by an authorized technician. But if not, it means that most likely the issue is caused by the source signal. So it could be a bad or a faulty cable or a faulty connection on your external device. Similarly, you can turn up the audio and see if everything sounds like it should. Alright, hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.